Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page. So few months ago, I uploaded a video on how to create a Facebook page and also how to convert a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. So a lot of you guys were asking me questions like, between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page, which one can be monetized and which one is far better? Though I already answered some of these questions in that video, but in today's video, I'm going to be answering the questions again. So I'm going to be telling you in this video the difference between a Facebook profile and also a Facebook page, which one you should create and which one can be monetized. When it comes to monetization, both Facebook profile and Facebook page can be monetized. I based in Nigeria, and Nigeria is now eligible for Facebook monetization. So for me, I'm already monetized on Facebook. So you can go ahead and confirm on Google if the country where you stay is eligible for monetization. So that aside, now what are the requirements for monetization? When it comes to Facebook profile, then I don't know if they have updated it. So then it used to be 5,000 followers. So you need 5,000 followers and I think 60,000 1-minute views on your videos to be eligible for monetization. And when it comes to monetization, there are different ways you can make money on Facebook. You can either make through stars, you can make through in-stream ads, you can also make through subscriptions, you can make through ads on reels. So there are different ways you can make money on Facebook, both the profile and also the page. I think I saw a comment of a lady on my video, the video I uploaded on how to convert your Facebook profile to a page, and she said you cannot monetize your Facebook profile. I don't think Facebook would be stupid enough to put up something they can't do. So if Facebook said you can monetize your Facebook profile, that means you can monetize it. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. The only issue I'm going to have with the Facebook profile is if Nigerians are eligible for Facebook profile monetization. Because I saw a video of a lady, though she's a white lady, and she posted on her page on how she monetized her Facebook profile with just 5,000 followers. So that means if Facebook said you can monetize your profile, you can monetize your profile. All you need to do is to make sure you meet up with all the requirements. So I will not blame the person that commented. Probably you were able to secure the 5,000 followers. The question is, did you meet up with the 60,000 1-minute video views? Whenever I tell you you can monetize a particular social media account, go ahead and read the requirements. Go ahead and check it, because as at the time I made that video, they might have changed some rules on the platform. So that is why you need to keep yourself updated. So there's a reason why Google is there. Go ahead and Google all of those things. So as at then, you need 5,000 followers and 60,000 1-minute video views. So that is it. Then when it comes to Facebook page, for the Facebook page, you need 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers and 600,000 1-minute video views. But I think in 2024 they have reduced it, unlike before. Let me browse about it. Let me see the new requirements now. They have changed it. So they said the minimum Facebook monetization requirements in 2024 include eligibility for in-stream ads. Pages need to have at least 10,000 followers, generate 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are at least 3 minutes long in the past 60 days, and meet Facebook monetization standard. Did you hear that? So you can go ahead and check it on Google again. So I don't know if this includes, because they said the new Facebook rules in 2024. So they have reduced it to 30,000 1-minute views. Before I got monetized, it was not like this. It was 600,000 1-minute video views. So I have to hit it before I was qualified for monetization. So for me, I'm already monetized, and I'm going to be sharing a video on how to apply for monetization in case you are eligible. So I'm going to be making a separate video for that. So that is it when it comes to the requirement for Facebook monetization. You need 5,000 followers on the profile, and you need 10,000 followers on the page. You need, let's just use the Let me just say you need 30,000 1-minute video views on the profile, and you also need it on the page. So let me use it like that. So that is it. Another difference between the Facebook profile and the Facebook page is this. So on your Facebook profile, your friends need to send you friend requests. You, on the other hand, need to accept the Facebook request for that friend to become a follower. So you need to accept all your friends' requests, then they will automatically turn followers. Facebook will automatically turn them to your followers on your page. And once you finally hit 5,000, you will not be able to accept more requests. Did you see the difference? So you don't be able to accept more requests. I don't know if they have changed it, but once you hit 5,000 followers, you will not be able to accept more followers, and there's no way they can automatically follow you. But when it comes to the Facebook page, people can automatically follow you on their own without you stressing yourself to accept their request. So they can automatically follow your page, like they can click to like your page and click to follow your page on their own without you accepting their request. So on the Facebook profile, you need to accept your friends' request for them to automatically become your followers. On your Facebook page, you don't need to accept requests. They just need to click and like or follow you on their own. And on the Facebook profile, you can only accept 5,000 requests. And on the Facebook page, more than 30 billions of people can choose to follow you on their own. Can you see the difference? So if you're a business owner or you're a brand owner, which one should you go for? Something that is limited or something that is unlimited? The third difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page is this. On your Facebook page, you can invite more people to come and manage your Facebook page. But when it comes to profile, you cannot invite anyone to manage your profile. So you can assign different rules to different people on your Facebook page, but you cannot assign rules to people to manage your Facebook profile. You are the only one that have access to manage your Facebook profile. But your Facebook page, you can invite 2 to 3 persons to come and manage it for you. So another difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page is this. On your Facebook profile, you cannot invite a collaborator to collaborate with your posts. On your Facebook page, you can invite a collaborator to collaborate with your posts. But another thing again you cannot do with your Facebook and pages, you cannot invite someone who have a Facebook profile to come and collaborate with your posts. It will not work. I have tested it. So I have a Facebook page, I have a Facebook profile. So I have tried it several times. It did not work. So you can only use your Facebook page to invite another Facebook page to collaborate with your posts. You cannot use your Facebook page to invite someone that owns the profile. Like I have a Facebook page which is Promoted Sandra, and my Facebook profile name is Simply Promoted Sandra. I cannot use my Facebook page to invite Simply Promoted Sandra to come and collaborate. Yes, they will tell you to send a request. You will send a request, but if you log into your Facebook profile, you will not see it. But I can use my Facebook page to invite my second Facebook page to come and collaborate with me, and I will see the notification there, and it will be approved. So that is something I have noticed. The another difference is this. When I post on my Facebook profiles, I don't see the videos. It does not come up as if maybe, you know, when you make a post on your profile now, for me, I don't see it. I've done everything I've seen on the internet on how to make your videos visible on your profile. I've done everything. I did not see it. So on my Facebook page, I can easily post and it will appear there on my page. No issues with that. Another difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page is this. You can run ads on your Facebook profile and you can also run ads on your Facebook page, which is normal. So for me, I'm going to suggest that as a business owner, as an influencer, or as someone who wants to make money, who wants to really grow his or her brand, I will advise you create a Facebook page. So I'm going to advise you to create a Facebook page. I believe you have listened to every single thing I said concerning the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page. You can see that the Facebook page has more advantage than the Facebook profile. But trust me, the page is going to do you more good than harm. Okay, the Facebook page is going to do you more good than the Facebook profile. So if you are someone like me, I can't send anybody to manage my page. I can't send anybody to, post on my page, respond to comments, respond to my, without me getting to do all of that on my Facebook page. But on my Facebook profile, I cannot assign roles to anybody. I cannot tell anybody to do that. So which means if I want to upload, I'll be the one that will do that myself. I'll be the one to respond to comments. I'll be the one to run ads, to do all of those things so stressful. So if you want to limit those stress, then go for Facebook page. Take your time and build your page. It is what it's it is what it. And another thing again is this: you can collaborate with other people with your page to page, but it is very difficult for you to do that with your Facebook profile. And another questions I saw on the comment section is, can you have both Facebook profile and also own a Facebook page? Yes, you can decide to build it too. That would be perfect. You can decide to build your Facebook profile and build your Facebook page at the same time. You can decide to use the same name or different names. So that is it for this video. I hope this short clip was really helpful. If you still have any question, go ahead and ask. So I'm going to be making a separate video on how to apply for Facebook monetization. Before I end this video, I want to appreciate you guys for 20,000 subscribers here on this channel. Like, you guys are not playing. I do really appreciate you guys. God bless you. And don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, go ahead and ask your question. If you don't have any question, go ahead and type in your favorite emoji, share, comment, because this really helps my algorithm a lot. And also subscribe to this channel in case you are not subscribed. Turn on post notification if you want to see more videos like this, because you know, anything that has to do with making money, helping, doing all of that, I do there on this channel. And also I post vlogs. Please, whenever you see my vlogs, always watch because I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.